Hi everyone, welcome to another Did You Know Thursday. Today I'm going to show you how to put a password on a Microsoft Excel document and pretty much any of the Microsoft documents really you can do this on. But here we go, let me show you. Okay, so once we've opened the file, we then need to save a copy of it with the password on. So we'll click Save As and find out, we will give it a name password. And then we click More Options. And then down here we can click Tools and then General Options. And then in this box here we can create a password so that they need it to be able to open it, or it can open as read-only unless you put a password in to modify it. So in this example, I'm just going to put a password on so that people can open it, they can have a little look, but if they want to make any changes to it, they will need the passwords when they open the file. So we're going to put a password in. Quick note, make sure you remember this password because it's not an online thing. You can't do the old forget password and it's a real nightmare to try and break into it. So write down that password. It then asks you to confirm it. And then we press OK. And then we save it. Okay, let's have a look what it looks like when we try and open it. Yeah. And we will get this little box that just means you can open it as read only if you want to, if you're not going to make any changes. But if you've got an Excel sheet that you need to make changes to, just pop the password in. And there we go. You can now edit it. And that is it. Nice and simple, and it means you can keep your documents nicely secure. See you next week.